Everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Shields McEwen, and you are watching Carolina Custom Homes with Shields. What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be focusing on the kitchen of our Logan lot model. So let's hop right into it. The main reason I'm really kind of focusing on this kitchen is that this is the same shape and layout as the Heartland kitchens, okay? And I'll break down a few differences, but the L-shaped kitchen with the big island, this exact shape layout is the same kitchen you're going to see in the Heartland plans. Let's start with the countertops. So you are seeing an example of just a clean white quartz countertops in this kitchen. Actually, the bathrooms in this model have laminate Formica, but if you're talking about just the kitchen, you could do quartz in this specific kitchen for roughly, call it $4,000. This is going to be a great example of our standard cabinet color, our standard cabinet style. This is an upgraded pull option. You can get this option through me for a few $100, or you could bring in your own pulls. I could actually send the house without the holes drilled and you do your own thing or whatever there. But a great example of the shaker style cabinet, pull, extension, soft close, plywood construction, all that good stuff. You are seeing the under cabinet switches and outlets as well as the under cabinet lighting. That's about a $450 option you're looking at there. You are seeing the white ceramic farmhouse sink in this particular model. This is something you don't see quite as much. It is a little bit more expensive than our stainless steel options. Long story short, if you want this sink, we're putting it in on site, so it's always going to be a little bit more expensive than our typical stainless steel farmhouse sink options. Here, you've seen a lot of videos and different models that have the range hood here. Number one, there's two standard range hoods to choose from at no cost. Then you have your mounted microwave here. This is about a $550 upgrade when you're comparing it to the range hood. Now, one way you could take this mounted microwave even further is if we vented it, truly vented it out of the house. Right now, this is just kind of that recirculating vent system. So by venting it truly out, you're adding an additional, call it $100, $150 on top of that $550 charge. Primarily in the Heartland videos you've seen on my YouTube or you've seen on our website, this exact same space is used as a walk-in pantry. In our model, as you see, this is used as our utility room. So what happens when this is a pantry is, it's pretty self-explanatory. This door just moves completely, and then I've got shelving on all three walls here. In some of your smaller Heartland plans and in this specific Logan model, this can be the utility space, but a lot of times it's used as the pantry. You are seeing an optional, although white is an included color, you would pay extra for a blue, that specific blue color island there. You're talking about $500-$600 to do an optional island color. And that's only if that color is an upgraded color. If it's one of our standard colors, say the natural or the espresso, obviously that wouldn't cost extra, but one of the premium colors like blue, that's going to be a little extra. These are an example of an upgraded pendant light. These are not the included pendant lights. The included pendant lights are the seated glass. You typically have 4 or 5 can lights on top of the double pendant light there, so it's always going to be well lit. The big questions for me are going to be the appliance conversation. We'll talk about that. Remember, the range and fridge are not included. If you get them through me, they're about the going rate. This would be about a $2,100 fridge. This would be about a $1,300 range. That's about what they cost at Lowe's. You are seeing the 4-foot transom window today. That is always going to be extra. I'm always going to need 9-foot ceilings to do so. And that little guy there, you could cost something like that around $350. This is our newly introduced included chandelier. Over here, again, so in the Heartland series plans, you're not going to need this because the utility room space is going to be the walk-in pantry. So what happens here, you have more countertop, more base cabinet, more overhead cabinet space here, which creates a nice little coffee bar area. So again, we are in the Logan model here at our store in Burlington. Come see us. If you got any questions, give us a ring, 336-226-9066. Thank you guys. Take care.